Hey guys, what's up? It's Tech Guy 1187 and welcome to your fourth iPhone programming tutorial in Flash. Now, today, as promised, we're getting into the world famous input text fields because everywhere you're going to be working in app development, you're going to need to use these guys. So let's go ahead and get started. To begin, go ahead and open our previous document, and you can go ahead and click on Hello World and change it to something like please enter your name. Okay? We're going to work with that example today. Now from here, make sure it is dynamic text, and make sure it has the instance name of hello text or whatever you plan on using. Just remember it. And remember, when I say hello text, I'm referring to this. Okay, now from here, let's go ahead and drag on out another text field. And bring it on down. Okay, now go ahead and select input text. Call it input txt. Alright, now go ahead and you can create a new layer if you'd like and drag out your submit button like that. And you can go ahead and type submit on it. Okay. Alright, and you make sure this is not input text, but you can go ahead and just leave it as static text. Alright, now go ahead and make it white and select both, convert to symbol button, and go ahead and call it submit btn for submit button. Go ahead and give it that instance name, and go ahead and click on your others and make sure the instance name was properly assigned. Alright, now we're ready to dive on into ActionScript, so head up into your Actions panel, select our Actions layer, and we can go ahead and ditch everything from the last tutorial. I know that sounds crazy, but that's what we're going to do, okay? Because we don't need that. We're not going to have it say, hello Yoda on our actual finished app. So, from here, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the top. It should already have mouse events and text events imported. If you didn't import the text events, go ahead and do that right now. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to access our submit button, add an event listener, and go ahead and declare that it is a mouse event and a click. And when it's clicked, we want to say, go see text. Okay. And now, function, go see text. And go ahead, and the event is a mouse event. It's a void function. And remember, that means it's not returning an integer. Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our variable here, and we're going to call it str, and go ahead and make it a string variable and set it equal to what our users type in our field, which is called input text. So let's go ahead and say input text. Alright, now this is ActionScript, so it's object oriented. So simply what we're saying here is look at the text inside of input text, which is whatever the user types. Alright, so now we're going to tell it one last statement. After it does all that, we want it to go print text. And we want to pass it this. We want to pass str. Okay. So we're sending that variable. Alright. Now, from here, we're going to create a new function called go print text, and go ahead and pass it the str variable and declare to handle it as a string. Okay, and once again, this one is a void function. Alright, now from here what we're going to do is we're going to declare an if statement. If str dot length is greater than 0, we want to say hello text dot text equal hello and plus str. Alright, and you can also do a plus exclamation point for enthusiasm. Alright, now from here, if we want to declare our else statement, else if it is not greater than 0, we want it to say hello text dot text equals enter your name now. Okay, and go ahead and close it out. Now, to make sure that the text field comes out, we want to go up to the top and we want to tell it input text dot background equal true. Okay, so that's going to make it have a background so it doesn't look like you're typing it into nothing. Alright, now if we debug it, it's going to work perfectly fine. Alright, so if we don't enter anything, it says enter your name now. If we enter something, hello, and so basically, that's how it works. Thank you, and please subscribe. And now you can use this in pretty much any app you're working with, because I know you're probably going to need information from the user. Remember, if you are a subscriber and you have questions, feel free to PM me, and I will answer them. Thanks. To take the tutorials even further, scan the QR code or text follow TechGuy1187 to 40404.